How to install apps on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your Android device. In here, scroll in your feed, and if you find any app you want to download, simply click on it and then press on install. After that, app will be installed and will be ready to open. Another way is by pressing search at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open search bar. Search the app you want to download and click on the app. Again, press on install and the app will be installed on your Android device. This is how to install apps on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.